Hello guys, today I will show you the best AI software for your homework and your study. Today I will show you how to use it and how to install it easy and quick. So let's start. First go to Play Store or App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Gauth app. So install it. So right now when it's installed, click open and it will open directly. So as you see, it's the number one on AI student component. Click agree and continue. Click right now on continue again and click continue again. Click continue. And right now it will take you here. So from here you have to activate your camera first. I will click while using the app. Here as you see you can use this for history, math, general, translate everything. For example, right now I have like French, Roman, and I want to translate it to English. I want to translate this page. What I have to do, I will scroll this to translate, and I will focus on the page that I want to translate. I will right now click here. So be careful. And right now I will wait just a little, as you can see, and right now it will translate this to English easy and quick. If you want to change the language, click here, and here you can find many language. For example, I will use right now Russian. I would just try. As you see, it's on Russian. Everything, maybe you can find here all the language. Yeah, and that's it. From here, this is your profile. Here you can manage many things like your history, your feedback, everything. And here also, if you click, you will add a question to the app, to the support, if you want to share it with your friend. And that's it, guys. So I hope this video was helpful. This is the best AI software for students for 2024. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.